Hey guys, so today before we leave the office, we decided to run a closure sale, and we have a few frontals and a few bundles because we're overstocked on, we ordered too much on some of these items. So let me go ahead and tell you that these items are unused. So the closures, the frontals, and the bundles are unused. Nothing is wrong with them. They came directly from the same stock that we sell off of the website. We're just overly stocked, so we need to get rid of some of them. So let's go ahead and go over the closures we have for sale. So the first three closures that I'm going to show you are HD closures. So this is a 12-inch straight, and it's a 4x4, and this is an HD closure, and this one is $40. And then we have a Burmese super wavy. Look at that bounce. Burmese super wavy. This is a 4x4 as well, and this one is $45. Remember, it's HD. And we have our last HD, which is the Natural Wave HD, and it's a 4x4, and this one is $50. Now, if you're interested in purchasing any of these items that we're showing you today, you have to send us a email, and then we'll go ahead and ship it out to you tomorrow. Exotic Wave, look how beautiful. I love this texture. This is like one of my favorite textures. But this is a 6x6 closure. And this one is $65. And then we have another, this one is a 5x5. So if you guys ever wanted a comparison, this is a 6x6, this is a 5x5. And this is a Brazilian DEEPWAVE. And this one is $55. 3 BODYWAVE closures. The first one is a 12-inch. And this is a 4x4. And this one is $40. And then we have a 18-inch 4x4. And this one is $50. And then we have another 20-inch. So if you need a longer closure, this is a 4x4. And this is $55. This is a 1B27, and this is an 18-inch, and it is $40. This is perfect if you are trying to go red, orange, whatever color for the fall. You can simply just add your rinse on top and it's already lifted for you. Or if you want to keep it in this color, you can keep it in this color, add a little highlights, whatever. But we have 2 of these, and they're only $40 each. You really can't beat that price. And next up are the frontals. So we have 2 frontals available. This first one is the Brazilian curly. Look how beautiful this looks. And this is a 16-inch, and guess what? It's a 13x6. So you have plenty of party room with these. Plenty of party room. And this one is only $85. That is a really steal, because I think online it's like $150. But we have another one, which is a Brazilian DEEPWAVE. This is a 14-inch, and this is just a regular 13x4. And this one is $75. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead and send us an email. Now, for the bonus, we have so many exotic waves in long inches that we're going to mark down 4 of these, and they're $60 a piece. So this is the Burmese exotic wave, and you know what? Y'all know I had to show y'all this out of the pack because this is one of my favorite textures. Oh my God. I love Burmese exotic wave. So if you've been wanting some long curly hair, this is the perfect time. Only $60 a bundle for 28 inches. You're not gonna find that still anywhere else. So if you're interested in any of this hair that I have showed you, go ahead and send us an email and we can ship it out to you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.